Can you believe this? If you're using social media just to post the occasional listing, then you are hugely missing out. Today, I am sharing with you the ultimate social media strategy to attract clients consistently. This isn't just about getting likes or views. It is about turning your social media into a lead generating machine that also builds relationships with potential clients. Hey, I'm Sean Bell and I'm the founder of the Realtors Blueprint, which helps realtors generate non-stop leads all day long through Facebook ads. Now, here's the strategy. Focus on content that provides real value and showcase you as the local expert. Think neighborhood profiles, park reviews, school profiles, and even interviews with local businesses. This isn't about constantly pushing listings. It's about being the go-to source for everything in your community. Basically, like being the digital mayor. And the best part? No campaigning ads or fundraising required. Let's break it down. Start with neighborhood profiles. Choose an area and talk about what makes it unique. Why would somebody want to live there? Just highlight everything to talk about all its amazingness. Next, you've got park reviews. Everyone loves to know about all the good parks, especially families. Then we have school profiles and interviews with local businesses. These give more of a personal touch to your page, showing that you care about the people and places that make your community special. Just remember, from personal experience, if you're interviewing a local bakery, don't try to eat the display. Here's a great example. I once did a video on our city's largest park, highlighting all the things you can do there. Families loved it and they started sharing the video all around. Not only did I get new followers, but it was also a piece of content that I could post again and again. This is what I mean by evergreen. It keeps working for you even long after you post it. And honestly, it's nice to post something that people enjoy that isn't just, here's another listing. Now, let's talk stories. These are fantastic for giving people a behind the scenes sneak peek about your life, right? He's not interested. Show your day-to-day activities. Introduce your family. Or give followers a quick tour of a cool property. Pro tip, if you have a question or a poll, put it on your story. This is a great way to connect with your audience and increase engagement. I've had these simplest stories get a ton more engagement just because I asked a question about our local market. And here's a little funny trick. I find if you let your stories die for a day and then post again, you might see a nice little spike in your views. It's kind of like giving your followers some time to miss you. Let's get specific on content types. First thing, there's educational content, like explaining the home buying process, how to get pre-approved, or even simple tips for first-time home buyers. This builds trust because you're helping people, not just selling to them. Then there's lifestyle content. Show off the local restaurant scene. This is my favorite. Highlight family-friendly spots, or showcase upcoming community events. You want to show people what it's like to live in your area. And no, this doesn't mean becoming a food blogger, even though I would love to do that. But hey, if you want to sneak in a donut review or two, who am I to judge? Here's the thing with social media. Engagement is key. Try adding quick tips and advice people can easily digest, like the 3 tips for first-time home buyers. Or maybe something like the best days of the week to list your property. People love this bite-sized content that they can use right away. And of course, remember, make it fun. You're not writing a textbook. You're talking to potential clients who appreciate just a little dang personality. Let's talk platforms. For Facebook, you can go to the longer form content like community spotlights and neighborhood profiles. For Instagram, you can do the same thing, or you can keep it visual and use more stories to just give some quick updates and behind the scenes. And if you're on TikTok, make it fast, make it engaging, and always start off with a strong hook. Remember, each platform has its own vibe. You want to match the content with the platform while still showing your personality. And of course, consistency is everything here. You don't need to post every day, but make a schedule you can stick to. And don't make it once a month. Whether it's once a week or 3 times a week. I recommend 3 at a minimum myself. But just keep in mind, regular posting helps to keep you top of mind with your audience. Personally, I like to plan my content in advance. If you have a few post ideas that are ready to go, you are way less likely to let this slip by or let a week slip without even posting at all. And I don't know about you, but it is, oh, he's not interested anymore. If I have to think of something on the spot, there's a better chance I'm probably not going to post anything at all. And trust me, the last thing you want to do is find yourself posting about National Hot Dog Day just because you forgot to plan ahead. So that's the ultimate social media strategy for realtors. Focus on valuable content. Use stories to show who you are. And most importantly, stay consistent across all platforms. Drop a comment below if you're ready to take your social media strategy to the next level. And also, if you are wanting a little boost or a kickstart with some leads while you're starting to build this audience, then make sure to comment below with Facebook ads and I will send you my free guide on my 5 killer Facebook ads that generated me 268 leads in just 7 days. And if this video was a benefit, make sure to give me a like, hit that subscribe button, and also hit the bell to be notified of when I post future videos about social media and Facebook ads for realtors. Take care. I hope you have a great day. Thank you so much for being here. I'm excited for you. And until the next video, I hope you have a great day.